Today I am reviewing the JYXOIHUB 65-inch smartboard. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The JYXOIHUB 65-inch smartboard feels less like a traditional display and more like a complete collaboration hub designed for modern classrooms, offices, and meeting spaces. It combines a large 4K touchscreen, built-in computing power, and interactive tools into a single system that replaces the need for multiple separate devices. The first thing you notice is the size and display quality. At 65 inches with a 4K UHD resolution, everything looks sharp, spacious, and easy to read even from a distance. Whether you're presenting slides in a boardroom or teaching in a classroom, the clarity makes a real difference. Text is crisp, images are detailed, and the overall viewing experience feels immersive without being overwhelming. One of the most practical advantages is the wide 170-degree viewing angle. This means people sitting at different positions in a room can still clearly see the content without color distortion or loss of clarity. In group environments like classrooms or training sessions, this is extremely important because it ensures everyone stays visually connected to what is being presented. Another standout feature is the built-in computing system. Instead of requiring a separate PC or external device, this smartboard comes with an integrated i5-level computer along with dual operating system support for both Android and Windows. This makes it incredibly flexible. You can switch between systems depending on your needs, whether you're using Android apps for quick interaction or Windows for full productivity software. The experience of switching between systems is smooth and reduces a lot of setup time. In many traditional setups, connecting laptops, configuring cables, and dealing with compatibility issues can slow things down. Here, everything is already built in, which means you can start a meeting or class almost immediately without technical delays. The touch responsiveness is another important part of the experience. The board supports multi-touch interaction, allowing multiple users to write, draw, and interact at the same time. It feels natural, similar to writing on a traditional whiteboard, but with the added benefit of digital flexibility. You can erase content instantly, move objects around, and annotate directly on documents or presentations. Collaboration is where this system really shines. It supports multiple users casting content simultaneously from different devices. This means participants can share their screens wirelessly, whether they're using phones, tablets, or laptops. In a meeting or classroom setting, this creates a more dynamic and interactive environment where ideas can be shared instantly instead of waiting for turns or manual switching. Another very useful feature is the ability to take notes directly on top of images, documents, or presentations. These annotations can be saved, shared, or exported easily. There is also a QR code feature that allows users to instantly transfer content to their personal devices. This is especially helpful in classrooms where students want to save lecture notes or in meetings where participants need copies of shared materials. The system also supports a wide app ecosystem, which means you are not locked into a single set of tools. You can use your existing software, which helps reduce the learning curve significantly. This is important because in many workplaces, forcing users to switch to unfamiliar tools can slow down productivity. Here, the flexibility allows teams to continue using the applications they already know. Build quality is another strong point. The board uses tempered glass with a 7H hardness rating and an aluminum alloy frame, making it durable enough for daily commercial use. It feels sturdy and well-built, which is essential for environments like schools or offices where the device will be used frequently throughout the day. It also includes a 20-megapixel camera, which is particularly useful for video conferencing and hybrid meetings. Combined with a large display, it helps create a more engaging remote communication experience. Participants can clearly see both the presenter and the shared content, making virtual collaboration more effective. From an installation perspective, the board supports both wall mounting and mobile stand setups. This flexibility allows it to be used in different environments, whether fixed in a classroom or moved between meeting rooms in an office. It is designed for spaces where collaboration is a daily requirement. One of the more reassuring aspects is the long-term support and reliability. It is built for commercial use and backed by a multi-year assurance program, which reduces concerns about downtime or maintenance issues. In environments like education or business, where interruptions can be costly, this kind of reliability matters. Overall, this smartboard is not just a display device. It is a complete collaboration system that replaces whiteboards, projectors, and even some computing setups. It is designed to streamline communication, improve engagement, and make group work more efficient. For classrooms, it transforms teaching into a more interactive experience. For offices, it improves meetings and presentations. And for businesses, it provides a centralized platform for communication and collaboration. It is essentially a tool built for modern work and learning environments where interaction, speed, and clarity are essential.